welcome you all to Engineer Dan online maths class, and today we'll just be solving this little question on what differentiation. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok. We have a Facebook page, follow us there. You can also chat us up on 09036733117 if you have any difficulty in mathematics. Alright, let's just focus on this. I want to differentiate this function from what? First principle. Okay, how do we do that? Let's see. Differentiating this from first principle, actually, differentiating from first principle has a formula. Just follow the formula and you'll be good. You'll be good. Yeah. Okay. What's the formula? Formula is simply dy dx, right? As dx tends to 0 of what? F of x plus dx minus f of x over what? Dx. Okay? This is the formula of differentiation from what? First principle. The question now is, what is f of x plus dx? Because we already know that f of x is this, right? Okay, f of x plus dx is not difficult, okay? All you just need to do is, wherever you see x in this function, which is the question you were given, just substitute x plus dx wherever you see x, okay? Substitute x plus dx wherever you see x. So we can actually say that f of x plus dx is what? X plus dx all squared plus 2 open bracket x plus dx. You see that? This is f of x, you have x squared plus 2x, but here f of x plus dx gives you x plus dx. Whenever I say x, put x plus dx squared, right? Plus 2 open bracket what? X plus dx. So what you need to do, just pick this, put in here, minus, pick this, put in here, and solve. Is that simple? Just solve. Mathematically, okay? Alright, let's just do that. Now, as dy dx, that's dy dx as what? Dx tends to 0, right? Okay, what is our f of x plus dx? This function, okay? That's now x plus dx all squared plus 2x plus dx. Now, everything we've written here is just f of x plus dx minus this minus. Now, f of x, this is f of x, and that is x squared plus what? 2x. Now, because there's a negative sign here, just put this in bracket. Why? The expression is more than 110. No student make a mistake with that. But if you put it in bracket, it's obvious that when you open this bracket, the negative sign opens the bracket, right? Okay. Over what? Dx. Okay? Alright. What you do now here is expand. X plus dx all squared. You have to expand. This means x plus dx times what? X plus dx in two places. So you have to expand this. Alright, let's just continue. Dy dx as dx tends to 0. If you expand this, you get x squared plus 2 plus 2x dx, because that's x times dx, x times x dx, that's 2x dx, right? Plus what? Dx squared. When you expand this, you get this. Now, when you expand this, you get plus 2x, 2 times x is 2x plus 2 what? Dx, right? Now, this negative sign opens the bracket, minus x squared minus 2x over dx. You see that? Now, all you need to do here is now simplify the numerator. What is common? What is kind of negative? What's kind of positive? Let's say x squared. You have just look at it, calculating like this, right? X squared here, right? We got minus x squared here. So x squared minus x squared cancels out, right? Okay. Now we have we have 2x here. We have minus 2x. So this cancels out. So what we're left with is 2x dx plus dx squared and what? Plus 2dx. So now let's rewrite this over here. Let me just bring this marker out of here and just put it here. And then do that still. Okay, let's just rewrite what is left in the numerator, which is 2x dx plus dx squared plus 2dx over here. Now we'll say dy dx as dx tends to 0. What is the numerator? We have 2x dx plus what? Dx squared plus what? 2dx. That's what's left in the numerator. And in the denominator, we have dx. Right? Now, all you need to do now is divide each term in the numerator by the denominator. Each term, what do I mean? This is one term before the plus sign. This is another term, this is another term. Divide each term in the numerator by the denominator. So here is dy dx as dx tends to 0 of what? 2x dx over dx plus dx squared over dx plus 2 dx over what? Dx. Right? So all you need to do here is just cancel out. Dx cancel dx over there. Dx cancel 2, so meaning 1 dx. And this dx cancel 2 dx. So what do we have? We don't have anything in the denominator anymore. So but we have something in the numerator, which is, let's just write this dy dx as dx tends to 0. What we have here is 2x, right? Plus dx plus 2. Now here you said dx is tending to 0. So in this equation, whenever you see dx, put what? 0. So now let's now dy dx. Now becomes what? 2x plus 0 plus 2. At the end of the day, 2x plus 0 is 2x, right? So we say dy dx equals to what? 2x plus 2. Final answer. Simple, right? You never knew that. This is actually a formula for differentiation from first principle. It is that easy. Alright, see you in our next class, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow us on TikTok, and also follow, like, share whatever you see on our Facebook page. See you in our next class.